in front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this smartphone. Firstly, access devices settings and scroll down. Now tap on additional settings over here, click on languages and input, manage keywords and revert. Then tap on text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!